Okay, I've been waiting for this package all week. Let's unbox BannerBoo from AppSumo together. So excited. Look at this branding, super clean, modern, and inviting. First impression, feels like a tool built for creators. BannerBoo promises animated ads with zero coding. No more struggling with complicated design software. Let's dive into the dashboard. Logging in is instant. Everything's laid out simply. No confusing menus. Here's the template library. Wow, tons of options. I'm picking a bold, colorful ad to start off. Editing text and images is literally drag and drop. Animations? Just one click to preview and apply. No coding, no plugins, just pure creativity. Let's add a call to action button. Done in seconds. Previewing the ad, it looks super professional. Export options? GIF, HTML5, MP4. Super versatile. I love that you get everything for a one-time price, no monthly fees. Huge win for small businesses. AppSumo always delivers value, but this is next level. BannerBoo isn't just for ads. Think banners, promos, more. Perfect for entrepreneurs who want to DIY marketing. Marketers can launch campaigns faster than ever. Small businesses save time and money instantly. Let's try another template, a holiday sale banner. Swapping images is seamless, and animations pop. Honestly, the interface feels intuitive and fast. No learning curve. I'm already making my second ad. You can access top business tools on AppSumo. BannerBoo stands out because of its simplicity. Animated ads used to be expensive and complex. Now anyone can create them without hiring designers. Productivity boost? Absolutely. Less time, more output. Marketing teams can test ideas in real time. Content creators will love the creative freedom. BannerBoo's one-time fee is a game changer. No surprise charges, just lifetime access. It's ideal for budget-conscious entrepreneurs. If you want to stand out online, try this. I genuinely recommend BannerBoo for any business. Check it out on AppSumo before the deal ends. Links in the description. Don't miss this offer. Thanks for watching my unboxing and review. See you soon!